Hey guys, now it's time for your business to have a logo. Most beginners think they need Photoshop or a professional designer to create a logo, but WIX already has a professional logo maker built in. Let's take a look. To navigate to this page to build your logo, simply from the left panel, go down to the Site and Mobile App section and then click Logo and Brand. Once you're here, click Get Started. And WIX will ask you a series of questions in order to build the type of logo that you vision. So type of business, recipe blog. What vibe do you want for your logo? Let's pick, we'll go with creative. What text do you want in your logo? Usually it's your business name, but it can be anything you want. I'm keeping it best of recipes. And then finally, what's your tagline or slogan? If you don't have one, you can have AI create one. So it'll give you 5 that it will create based on the type of business you have. We'll go ahead and you can generate more if you want. If you don't like these 5, we'll go ahead and pick Savor Every Bite. Click Done, and now WIX will generate a series of logos for you to pick from. It takes just a few seconds. Just like that, we have all kinds of logos over here in the left panel to scroll through and pick and see if we like. So it's real simple to edit this. So let's go ahead and let's just pick, we'll pick this one right here. And from the left panel, if you decide Best of Recipes is not the name that you want in your logo and you want to change it, you can change it right here. Same with the tagline. You can also change the icon. So say you don't like that icon and maybe we want this hamburger. Boom, it changed the icon in all these templates or all these logos. So pretty nice. Go ahead and revert back to original. And now we're ready to edit this logo that we picked. So go up here to customize your logo. And that will load that logo into the editor. So within the editor, you can customize each element. So if you click on this icon element, for example, it will pull up a panel on the left side, customize icon. And here you can change the parameters for the icon. So you can change the opacity. You can change the size. You can rotate it. You can change the horizontal and vertical positioning. You can flip it. And if you want to add shadow, you can turn on the shadow. And then within shadow, there's different parameters you can set. You can change the opacity. You can change the horizontal and vertical positioning. You can blur it if you want. It's pretty cool. There's a lot you can do just with this particular element. You can also blur the element if you want. You can change the color. And then click on this element, Best of Recipes, which is a text element, and you can customize the text. So you can change the font, the style, the alignment. You can change the color. You can pick from the color palette. You can change the opacity. And then the outline width, text color, size. So as you can see, there's a lot you can do with each particular element. This will be a text element too. And then getting out of there, if you want to go over here and you say, well, I don't like this template, you can just totally change the template right here. You can also change the color palette for the whole logo that was presented. Click on that. And if you don't like this color palette, you can change to whatever. I mean, there's a lot to pick from. You can change the text. You can change the font. You can add text boxes. You can add additional symbols. Let's say we wanted to add this hamburger. Just like that. And then as you can see, it pulled up a panel to customize that particular element once we added it. So shapes. If you want to add an image. And if you want to change the background color. So as you can see, there's a lot you can do to edit this logo based on your vision and what you want for your logo. And then you can hit preview to preview it. That looks pretty good. And if you like what you see and you're done editing, then you want to click Save to My Logos. Once you've saved your logo, click on Logo and Brand up here in the left corner, and this will take you into your logo database. This is a section where all your logos and your brand are stored. So if you had multiple logos here, for example, you can click on a logo and then continue to edit it. You can click on these three dots and click Edit here. You can download, you can delete the logo. Depending on your package, you can also scroll down and design or business cards. So you can use the different templates it shows here. Or you can print your logo on merchandise, which is very cool. You can go into the print shop and do design work based on your merchandise. So there's a lot you can do with the Logo Maker. Yeah, the Logo Maker provides you with all the file types you need for your business. So from logo files to business cards and social post files. However, do note with the free plan you get one free logo. So in order to use your logo for business cards and social post files and any kind of marketing material, you'll need to buy a logo package, and you can look at those packages right here. As you can see, creating a logo using the WIX Professional Logo Maker is a very simple and intuitive process. The Logo Maker itself is user-friendly. You can create a professional logo without using a professional designer or an expensive software package like Photoshop. I hope this video helped. If so, please like, subscribe. I welcome any comments down below. Have a great day.